Cnidarians. What are cnidarians? They are jelly-like marine animals which have radical symmetry and sting their prey using cells on their tentacles called cnidocytes, which explode when stimulated. Cnidarians have two basic body forms: medusa, a free-swimming umbrella-shaped body plan often seen in jellyfish, characterized by tentacles and a central manubrium with the mouth at its tip. Polyp, a tube with a single opening circled by a ring tentacles which has a mouth-anus function. Cnidarians are classified into four main classes. Hydrozoa, a taxonomic class, individual very small, predatory animals, some solitary and some colonial, of which inhabit soil and water. Scyphozoa, referred to as the true jellyfish, the name comes from the Greek word skyphons. Cubozoa, also known as the box jellyfish, are cnidarians of vertebrates distinguished by their box-like body. Some species of box jellyfish produce potential venom delivered by contact with their tentacles. Anthozoa includes all cnidarians that exhibit a polyp body plan only. In other words, is there is no medusa stage in their life cycle.